Hi, here is a video on how to apply your semi-cured gel nail wraps. You always need to start with clean, dry nails. So if you have some of these alcohol wipes that come with your orders, just go ahead and open those up and make sure you wipe your nails really good and let them dry. If you don't have these, or you've already used them from your order, go ahead and get a bottle of rubbing alcohol and a little piece of paper towel. It works the same. And just clean any oils or dirts off your nail like that. Find the one that fits your nail the best. This one, you want to go slightly smaller than your nail so it doesn't overlap on the sides. Peel off the protective clear plastic layer. It's just this, set it aside, you don't need it. Peel the wrap from the packet. Apply it, press it down the middle, down the sides. With semi-cured gel wraps, it is very important to use one of the cuticle sticks and press down the sides and by the cuticle. Here is where different people do different things. I personally like to take my little cuticle scissors that I have. They're slightly curved just to go around cuticles are like this, and flip it over, and I like to personally cut to kind of go around my nail like that. If it's a little off, it's totally fine. We will, after I cure it, I will use a nail file, a good one, and straighten it out and do all that. Just make sure you kind of press it down. So that's one way. Other people will use fingernail clippers and clip it. I do not use this only because I am afraid of actually cutting my fingernails off, because I am not apparently very good with fingernail clippers. And I have accidentally cut them off before, but you can use that too. You can also put that on, fold it over, use a file and file it like that. This will get it closest to the size of your nail, and it does take a little bit, so make sure you have a good file. Here's another little trick that I love. If you find the one that fits, let's say you want your nails just a tiny bit longer, you can actually do that with the gel wraps. This is a trick that I have learned. If you want your nails slightly longer, you can actually cut this slightly longer than your nail, cure it, and see how there's a little bit of extra right there past my nail. The gel will actually stay hard enough that it is almost like your nail, which is awesome. If you do decide to do that, use a top coat on the underside once it's cured, and it will, because right now there's a little bit of the adhesive there, so it will be sticky and you don't want dirt and stuff to stick there. Move them away from your lamp when you go to do it. Otherwise, it will cure those. Move those away. All you need to do is go for about 60 to 90 seconds. I chose the 60-second option here, and it will cure. And there you go. See that extra? It is hard as can be. All you have to do is shape it so that it looks like your natural nail. And these do not need a top coat. It is built in. It is already shiny as can be. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see that. Super shiny. Just make sure you go just like that. Clean it up. And there is my nail with a little extra length. I still have to clean it up just a little bit over here because I have a little bit too much here, but that is real quick how you do that. So if you have extra here and you don't want that left on, you can, after it's already cured, go ahead and take the clippers and clip that nice and even. There we go. And I do recommend, again, just using a file to make it nice and straight so there aren't any jagged pointy edges or anything. But that is basically how to do your gel manicure with the semi-cured gel wraps. If you have any questions, let me know. If you would like to know, this is the denim cat's eye. So it has this really cool silver metallic cat eye, like a glitter running through it. Pretty cool. If you have any questions, let me know.